This person from this country made thousands of dollars, and this other person also makes thousands of dollars as well. These proofs show you that this is real and this works worldwide. And today I will show you how you can get all of the results so you can make big money online without going through stress. This is not affiliate marketing, YouTube, or whatsoever, and you don't even need any followers, so anyone can start. This is for complete beginners as long as they follow all of the steps from this video tutorial. Don't look for excuses, just implement what you've learned and start making money. This is the website where we will be making money. I will show you how it works and what exactly we will be doing, and how people from different countries are making tens of thousands of dollars monthly. And after that, I will show you how you can get it all done for you. And I will show you how you can start for absolutely free without investing any money at all. So make sure to stay tuned until the end for that and pay close attention to each and every step. Watch each and every second and take action as soon as the video ends, because if you don't do the work, you won't get the desired results and you will not make any money. If you just watch the video and complain in the comments, it's not going to work for you and you will not make a dime. You need to take action if you want to start making money online. The website which we will be using is called Flippa, and you can check out flippa.com. According to SimilarWeb.com, Flippa is being visited by over 1 million people on a regular monthly basis. And these guys are coming from top-tier countries like the United States, United Kingdom, India, and Canada, which means there's a huge potential for Flippa. Flippa.com is a platform where people come to buy and sell apps, domains, websites, online businesses, blogs, and much more. So here you can sell all of the different digital assets, and you can sell them for thousands of dollars. And as you can see, some e-commerce websites are selling for hundreds of thousands of dollars. This one is selling for this amount of money, and people are buying and selling these types of digital assets every single day. But don't worry, you don't need to have an e-commerce business to start doing this. You don't need to become a web developer or app developer to start making thousands of dollars with this website, because I'm going to show you how you can get it all done for you so you can repeat this and make money without doing any of the hard work yourself. In just a moment, you will see exactly how it works. But first of all, let me show you what people are actually selling here. So if you visit the browse section right here, you will be able to see that people are selling different websites, e-commerce, content for websites, different website marketplaces, and service related to web development. You have people selling their apps, domains, and different collections right here. The two main categories that we will be focusing on are websites and apps. For instance, when we go to the website category, we can see people selling their websites for thousands of dollars. You can see that they're starting with $1, but after a couple of days, people start bidding, and those websites end up selling for tens of thousands of dollars. You can see, for example, this one is selling for this amount. Another one is also being sold for this amount, and so on and so forth. This might sound a little bit complicated to you, like you don't have a website, you don't know how to create a website or whatsoever. Well, you don't have to, because I'm going to show you how you can get it all done for you so that you can make money as a complete beginner with no experience. If you click on See All Websites, that's going to show us all of the websites that are selling right now on Flippa.com. You can see that, for example, this person is selling his website for this amount. So it just started bidding. So it has only a few bids. It's just starting to grow, and there are still a few days left, and it's already attracting buyers. Sometimes you have a website selling for almost $1 million of this website. And if I open up for one of these listings, for example, you're going to see that sellers are making money. So it's proven that this works. It's proven that it gets results. Here are the proofs that people are actually making a lot of money here. This person made thousands of dollars with Flippa.com, so this is proof that it's real, and that's why you shouldn't look for excuses not to do this, because it does work. You just need to put in the time and effort to get some results. And I'm going to show you once again how to get it all done for you. If you browse a little bit on this website, you will be able to come across loads of different people making thousands of dollars with Flippa.com. And basically the same goes if you want to browse different apps. If you want to see the kind of apps that people are selling on this website, you can just check the apps category and you can see people selling their apps for thousands, and in some cases tens of thousands of dollars. Let's first focus only on websites and web development, because you saw that it has a huge potential and you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars, and you saw proof that it's real. Now let's see how you can actually get the website done for you so you can sell it on Flippa.com. Now I want you to know that you don't expect to sell your first website for $20,000 or even $10,000. Don't expect that, because it doesn't work like that. You can maybe sell it for a few $100s or maybe $1,000, and that's it, not more than that. But if you repeat this and you sell at least one website every 2 days, you can still make a lot of money every single month. I mean, if you sell just one website a week, that's still a pretty decent side hustle, because it's going to take you less than 10 minutes to get it all done. Now, one of the ways where you can get a website done for you so you can make money without doing the work yourself is to use some of the freelancing websites. And just to remind you, this is only one of the options, because I'm also going to show you a second option that's going to allow you to do this without investing any money. The first option is to just hire someone on freelancing websites like Fiverr.com, PeoplePerHour.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, TrueLancer.com, and so on. Now, the reason why I highly recommend Fiverr is because Fiverr is a competitive website. As you can see, a lot of people are selling their services on Fiverr.com under the Create a Website category. So a lot of people are competing for this, and because of that, sellers list their services at lower prices. They provide professional services at lower prices just so they can stand out, just so they can attract some buyers, and that's where you can find a lot of cheap but professional services on Fiverr.com. On Fiverr.com, you can get a complete website or e-commerce store for around $50. Even if you get it for $100 or $200 and you sell it for $1,000 on Flippa.com, you'll still make $800 in pure profit for one single website. And you can do this over and over again on Flippa.com and make over $500 profit. But if you want to start small, you just need to find a seller that will do the professional work for you around $50 or $100. All you need to do is place an order, select the service, pay $50, and they deliver it within 24 or 48 hours. You go back to Flippa.com, list it for sale, wait to get a sale, and if you list it for $500, $600, $700, or even $1,000, you'll make huge profits without doing any hard work. So it's a really decent business, and you saw that people are making money on Flippa.com. People are making a decent amount of money by selling their websites, and you can now jump on this as a complete beginner because you can just sign up to Fiverr, buy your website from Fiverr.com for $50 or $100, and sell it on Flippa and keep the rest as a profit. Now, if you don't want to invest any money at all and you want to start for absolutely free and afterwards you invest into freelance services, you can simply go over to Udemy.com. This is a place where you can learn anything. This is a place where people sell their courses, but you don't have to buy anything. You can start for absolutely free with $0. Just come over to Udemy and you can search for courses on how to create or how to develop a website, how to create apps if you want to sell an app. Then just scroll a little bit down, click price, and select free. That's going to give you a lot of courses which you can take for absolutely free and learn in a single day or even a single hour. You can create a professional looking website. You can learn everything for absolutely free on Udemy.com. And once you learn it, just put in some work and it's probably going to take you a couple of days to develop a website from scratch. But once you're done, you can sell it for $500 or $1,000 on Flippa.com. Use that profit and reinvest and buy some services from Fiverr, and then just create a snowball effect to sell more and more websites on Flippa.com. You can do the same thing for apps. You can search for how to create an app and how to develop an app and sell for tens of thousands of dollars on Flippa.com. There is definitely a huge potential, and you saw that people are making 6 figures every year. You can just start for free by learning the skill on Udemy.com from their free section courses. Then sell your first website and just reinvest it into the business. This is not going to be the easiest job, but you can get it all done for you. And once you get established, you can definitely start making big money on Flippa.com. Do you want to learn how you can earn $1,200 passively? Click here!